In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor a picture and prevent it from moving with text in Word. If you've ever added a picture to a Word document only to have it drift around every time you edit your text, this tutorial will fix that. We'll walk through how to anchor an image so it stays exactly where you place it, no matter what changes you make to the paragraphs around it. First, insert your picture into the document, or click an existing image to select it. When the picture is selected, you'll see a small Layout Options button appear right next to it. Click that button, then choose More Layout Options to open the full settings window. This is where you'll control the exact behavior of the picture on the page. In the window that opens, go to the Position tab. Here, choose Absolute Position and set it relative to either the page or the margin. Picking page means the image will stay fixed to a spot on the page itself, even if margins change. Choosing margin ties the position to the printable area defined by your margins, which can be helpful if your layout needs to respect consistent spacing on different printers or paper sizes. Either choice gives you precise control over where the picture lives. Next, check the option that says Lock Anchor. This is the key setting that prevents the image from moving when you add or delete text. Think of the anchor as the invisible link between your picture and a location in the document. Locking it ensures the picture stays put, even as the surrounding content flows. Now switch to the Text Wrapping tab to decide how text should interact with the picture. If you want the image to float freely on top of everything, choose In Front of Text. If you prefer your paragraphs to flow neatly around the image's edges, pick Square. Square is great for professional layouts, while In Front of Text is ideal for precise overlay placement, like a watermark or a graphic element in a brochure. Choose the style that best fits your document's design. Finally, click OK. From now on, your picture will remain anchored in place, unaffected by text edits. If you later need to adjust the position, just select the image and revisit these same options to tweak the settings. With these steps, you'll keep your layouts looking clean and consistent, even as your document evolves.